Okay, good morning. This is Ruby Chen, professor of Genomic Research Center, Academia Sinica. And also, I'm founder of Trust Through Bioscience. So today I would like to bring your attention to a therapeutic antibody for a very devastating disease, ALS. ALS, currently there's no effective treatment. It is a rare disease, a rare motor neuron degenerative disease. The patient died 3 to 5 years after disease onset. They experience progressive paralysis and finally respiratory failure. The onset often occurs in the mid-age, and over 90% are without gene mutations. They are sporadic. So one very famous ALS patient is Lou Gehrig, who is the best first baseman in MLB, but was diagnosed as ALS and died 2 years later at age of 37. The global ALS treatment market is increasing, and the global ALS case is actually increasing to projected to reach 500,000 people, with a very striking increase of 69%. So the pain point, of course, is no effective treatment, and the medicine we are carrying now have the several advantages like safety and small clinical trials, policy incentives. So Trust to bring you a fundamental cure of the disease by having a specific conformational antibody targeting misfolded and pathogenic protein TDP43. So TDP43 has been found misfolded and aggregated in the cytoplasm of ALS patients, and also it was spread to the extracellular space. So TrustTrue's antibody recognized the misfolded form of these aggregates for over 1,300-fold compared to the native functional TDP43 that avoids the interference of the important biological function of TDP43. So the other companies or the marketed drugs, they targeted downstream effects, but yet to see any real beneficial effect. The competitors that have the same target, they either cannot differentiate the conformation of TDP43, leading them to have an ability to interfere the important biological function of TDP43, or they are using viral expression, which may have some safety concerns. And all of them are still in laboratory discovery phase or preclinical phase. All of them lack of behavior validation data. So TrustTrue's antibody, after weekly IV injection, were able to see target engagement, decrease of misfolded TDP43 oligomers, reduction of inflammation, increase of motor neuron survival. And most excitingly, we can restore the neuromuscular junction, as you can see here, and induce reinnervation. So it leads to the improvement of motor behavior in ALS model, as you can see in this video. We actually have gone through intensive research since I established my lab in 2007. We have published in prestigious journal by identifying toxic oligomers and then generating the antibodies validate in ALS mouse model. So last year we completed humanization of this antibody. So now we hope to fundraise to complete this development stage in 2 to 3 years by having antibody production and formal tox study and also global patent filing. And we aim to license to global pharma before or after phase 1. So TrustTrue's pipeline can not only use in ALS, 95% of ALS patients, but also can be applied to dementia patients in 50% of frontotemporal dementia and also 1/3 to 57% of Alzheimer's disease patients. The antibody can also be used maybe for the detection or diagnosis. So our team composed of scientists And our technology won several major awards in Taiwan, including a BI Innovative Award. We also have business advisor and collaborators from major medical hospitals, and also a very good CDMO and CRO companies. So with that, I think altogether we need to rescue ALS, and all of you can help. Thank you very much.
Thank the presenter from